What's going on, guys? What's going on, World Wide Web? It's me, Marlon. Hey, guys, if you are a person that's in a place where you are ready, willing, capable, and able of learning some things you never knew, this video is for you. Okay, guys, in today's video, I hope you guys can hear the birds chirping outside, guys, but it is a great, beautiful day outside today. My cell phone went down, guys. I got to go get it fixed. Anyway, but hey, listen. Today, guys, in this video, I want to talk about investing in yourself. I want to talk about investing in yourself and the importance of it, right? When you want to do something, right? Like I don't care what it is, right? And this is a mistake, by the way. Or this is something, by the way, a lot of people just simply don't do. They invest in all kinds of other stuff, right? Let me close this window, guys. And you might be one of them people, you may not. But the point is this, guys, when you embark on something, right? And now we're talking about working from home, making money on the internet, or starting your own business. That's what we're talking about now specifically. But this can apply in any aspect of your life, guys. But when you embark on something, right, it's going to be an investment involved, right? It should be an investment involved. And if you want to embark on something, you shouldn't be afraid of the investment. When you go out to buy a home, that's an investment. When you go out to buy a car, well, I don't know if you want to call it investment, but you have to do something, right, to move, to get what, not only what it is you want, but you have to invest in it, right? You have to invest in you, right? You have to invest in you, guys. And now when we're talking about investing in you, I'm talking about investing in yourself in terms of training, right? Because training, well, let me say this. Show me a boxer that steps into the ring. Show me a football player that steps onto the football field. Show me a basketball player who steps onto the basketball court. I don't care who it is, guys. People train for what it is they want to do. They keep training for what it is they want to do after they start doing it, if they want to get better at it, right? So when I talk about investing in yourself, I'm talking about investing in training, right? And resources, okay? It's important, right? When I first got started online, I just thought I was just going to jump into a money-making opportunity and just start making all this money, guys. And guess what? It doesn't happen that way. It doesn't happen that way with anything, okay? When you are serious about a particular thing, right, know that there is an investment involved, and there's no better investment that you can make than the investment that you make in yourself in terms of training, right, tools, resources, things that's going to help you, right, get your mind, right, get you in a place where you are equipping yourself to be the best person that you can be. Right? When that happens, guys, guess what's going to happen? You're going to start personally developing. I'm going to say that real slow, and I'm going to say it again. When you invest in yourself through training and tools and resources, you're going to start personally developing. Why would you want to start personally developing? Because, guys, you want to start personally developing because we always, constantly should be evolving, right? So when you look at personal development, right, it centers around social, emotional, mental, physical, and spiritual. It's all one big conglomerate of things that's happening at the same time. But when you make the investment in yourself, right, through training, through resources, and not just making the investment, but utilizing the investment that you made in yourself, utilizing the tools and the resources, using the training, right? How else are you going to move forward, people? You will not move forward if you do not invest in yourself. And investing in yourself can be in many different shapes, forms, and fashions, but now we're talking about training. Training leads to your personal development. Personal development is just going to get you further down the road, right, to where it is you want to be. Which brings me to the point of this video, guys, because if you understand investing in yourself, if you understand investing in yourself through training, tools, and resources, and if you understand that that just leads to your personal development, right, then why wouldn't, or whatever, let me say it like this, whatever you decide to do from this day going forward, guys, make sure that you understand that you are the most important piece of the equation, of that puzzle. Nobody can do this for you. You have to do it for yourself. You can lead a horse to water, guys, but you cannot make them drink, right? Okay, so understand that. Now, that you understand that, now, if you guys have been following me on the YouTube videos, right, you guys know that in a lot of my YouTube videos as of late, I'm talking about how to earn residual income, guys. We're building something here. We're going somewhere, right? Hey, follow me. If you want to start your own business, or if you just want to make some extra income online, if you want to start working from home, right? If you want to do that, then you can do it using the miracle system, right? Using the miracle bill relief system, right? Because you talk all those things I talked about just now, the training, the resources, the tools, they're all there, guys. They're all there for anybody, right? Anything you get in, you probably got the same, training and resources and tools. Now, I'll talk about you being the most important part of the equation. You can get it. You can get this. You can get anything. If you don't invest in yourself, first of all, by starting, right? And then you got to go a step further than that, right? You got to keep it moving, guys. It ain't just good enough to invest in that one time and whatever it is you're doing. Now, you got to take what you got and use it, right? You got to invest in yourself, right? Invest in yourself, right? Take it 2 hours a day. Take an hour a day. Take whatever it takes. And I'm going to tell you something about taking whatever it takes, by the way. Whatever it takes for you to get moving in the direction that you want to go in, right? Now, let me tell you about whatever it takes, right? So, okay, now we're talking particularly about the miracle bill relief system, right? Listen to this, guys. And I'm going to take it all the way down to its lowest common denominator right now. But I want you to think big, right? Think huge, guys. Come on, let's think big, right? Hey, nobody ain't gonna treat you better than you treat yourself. Don't wait for that to happen, guys. It's never gonna happen, right? But if you get into you and you get into your own zone, you get into your own space, you learn how to activate the best version of yourself, guys, then the sky's the limit. Now check this out. Just hypothetically, I'm gonna give you guys something to take away from this video. I'm gonna give you guys something to look forward to today, right? Check this out, guys. Let's say you say, okay, I'm going to invest in myself right now today. I'm going to become a member of the Miracle Bill Relief System. I'm going to follow Marlon. I'm going to see if what he's saying could possibly be true. Because I'm going to speak it into existence, guys, and you can too. So check this out. Let's just go all the way to its lowest common denominator. You become a part of the Miracle Bill Relief System, right? You come in, right, at the lowest level you can come in at. I'm telling you this at the door. That's $100, guys. Wow. We ain't even gonna talk about that being an investment. Check this out. So you come in at $100. Now, guys, you invested in yourself, right? And then you tap into the training, right? Then as you tap into the training, you're gonna start getting excited. You're gonna start getting pumped up, right? And then you're going to start personally developing, right? You're gonna really realize that, wow, the sky truly is the limit. But check this out. I want to give you something to go to sleep on tonight. Because if you go to sleep without a plan, you'll wake up tomorrow without a goal. Without a goal, you won't have direction. With no direction, you're lost. So check this out. 25 people. 25 people. Guys, I recruited more than 25 people in a business. And we ain't talking about recruiting here, so don't get scared. I brought over 25 people into something. I'm going to do a video on it in a little while. In probably less than 2 months, and I wasn't even trying, really. So anyway, check this out. You come into the system, right? You come in at the lowest possible level, right? What's the lowest possible level? The lowest possible level is $100. So now, guys, let's say in 30 days, let's keep it modest, you can bring 25 people into the system. Introduce it to them. Talk to them about how they can eliminate their bills and earn residual income at the same time. If you don't want to talk to people, guys, it's okay. You don't have to start out talking to anybody. I just created my own actual system funnel that will do it for you. You guys are going to love this. But ultimately, you're going to want to. That's part of your personal development, man. You want to be talking to people. All right. Anyway, you don't have to. But let's just say, without talking to anybody, right, using my funnel or using the actual replicated website that you get when you join the system, and you're able to bring 25 people, just 25 people, into the Miracle Bill Relief System. That would be, guys, listen, 25 people paying you $100 a month. It's really 26 because the first person you're going to have to pass up, but that's okay. After that, guys, everybody comes into the system, they're paying you. That's at the lowest level. This is off the charts, right? 25 people paying you $100 a month. Hey, want to dream big? Okay, I'll dream a little bit bigger. How about in 60 days, 50 people paying you $100? Huh? Hey guys, how about 75 people paying you $100 every single month? If you just focus on this and just do that, right? Because that's where I'm going now, right? I told you everything I do now is all about residual income. Give yourself, guys. In fact, do it, right? 25 people, really? 50 people, really? 100 people paying you $100 a month, and this is just the lowest level. That's something to sleep on. And when you wake up tomorrow, if you go to sleep after thinking about those numbers, then hey, big props. That means that you right one step away from being in the zone. But it all starts with you. The miracle is inside of yourself. We'll give you all the training that you need, right? We'll give you the replicated websites. Hey, check this out. I just built this out and I've been tweaking it. I built about 4 or 5 versions of it, but it's everything. Everything you could possibly need. You're on Facebook all the time anyway. Go on Facebook. Tell somebody, man, I just came across the most crazy, awesome system. And you're going to feel that way when you see what you get here. And then they say, oh, yeah, Mike. Okay, Karen, show it to me. And look, guys, you take the link, because I'm going to give you a site just like this, and you send them over to the link. Hello. You know a whole bunch of people on Facebook. I'm not a Facebook person. I will be. We'll talk about it later. But the point is this. Guys, it's all about exposure. It's all about the 6 degrees of separation. Anyway, we show you all that stuff. You're going to learn all that stuff, right? You're going to get the 10K blueprint. You're going to get all the stuff that you need to jump in here, right, and hit the ground running. So what are we talking about, guys? We talk about investing in yourself, whatever it may be. You don't got to be the Miracle Bill Release System, right? Whatever you invest in. Getting into the training, because you got it right there at your fingertips, guys. It's right there at the tip of the mouse. Cut off Judge Judy. Get off Facebook for a minute. Immerse yourself in the training, guys. And then after a while, right, when you really, really understand and you've activated that best version of yourself, then you're going to be in the zone. Trust me, you're going to be in the zone. I'm in the zone all the time, even when I'm asleep. Anyway, once you start doing that, guys, then you get your legs right, then you get your, you get your groove on, then you're really gonna start feeling good about doing something for yourself, right? But hey, my high school teacher said when we graduated, you don't ever have to stand begging for that you have the power to earn. I'm gonna say that again really fast. You don't ever have to stand begging for that you have the power to earn. I said it fast, you gotta listen slow, but you got that right. Guys, don't walk, run. Over here, click the link in the YouTube video description. I'm not even going to ask for your email and anything. Asking for just watch it. I put it together for you. Do something for yourself, guys. Step into your greatness, right? Make the next chapter your best chapter. That's it for right now for today's video, guys, because I have miles to go before I sleep and 1,000 more videos to shoot. Anyway, that's my time. As always, it's your boy Marlon O Bennett wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Looking forward to welcoming you as the next highly motivated member of the team. I'll see you guys on the inside, okay? Keep banging. Got any questions, guys? Hit me up. You'll find all the information in the YouTube video description there or right below. If you're on my list, on the continue button, or you got it in the email, okay? Peace.